Want to ace your PSLE English? Hey there boys and girls, welcome back to another Grammar Bytes lesson with me, Teacher Leroy. Today we're diving into the world of indefinite pronouns, who, whom, and whose. But don't worry, I promise to try to make it fun and easy to understand. So let's start with who. This pronoun is used when we're talking about the subject of a sentence. Ew, who farted? Maybe you did, maybe he did, maybe she did, maybe I did. Well, let's be honest, it could be anyone. Now here we can see that who is a subject pronoun and it is related and can be replaced by other subject pronouns like he, she, they, we, and I. Now let's move on to who. This one is used when we are talking about the object of a sentence. So if someone were to blame the fart on someone else, we would ask, whom did he blame the fart on? Again, we have options like on him, on her, okay, on them. We can see that whom is an object pronoun related to all these other object pronouns like him, her, them, us, and even me. Lastly, we have whose. This pronoun is all about possession. So, when you're in a room full of farts and you want to know whose fart is it, you ask, whose fart is it? And the answers could be, it's hers, it's theirs, it's mine. We can see now that whose is a possessive pronoun related to other possessive pronouns like his, hers, theirs, ours, and mine. Remember, it's important to know when to use subject pronouns like who, object pronouns, whom, possessive pronouns, whose. It helps us communicate clearly and effectively. And there you have it, a quick lesson on indefinite pronouns using our patented fart analogy. I hope this made learning a little bit more enjoyable for you guys. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with friends who might need a laugh while learning grammar. Don't forget to follow me, follow the Chalkboard Academy for more language tips and hilarious content. Stay tuned for more fun lessons.